Now for the last topic of the Earth coordinate system, I'm going to discuss the concept of colatitude, abbreviated as COLAT. By definition, colatitude is the angular distance between the given latitude and the poles, either north or south pole. Or we have two formula that we're going to use to find the colatitude. One is colatitude is equals to 90 degree minus the latitude or the given latitude. Second is colatitude is equals to 90 degree plus the given latitude. So the operation or the formula or the solution are very elementary. It's just simple subtraction and addition. Okay, for the better understanding of the colatitude concept, I have here prepared a problem for solving or finding the colat. The given are in two position A and position B. For position A, also known as our initial position, the coordinates is at latitude 20 degree north, longitude 10 degree east. For our position B, or our final position, the coordinate is at latitude 30 degree north, longitude 20 degree east. And from our minimap, I have plotted it in the first quadrant since our latitude and longitude have north and east direction. Okay, so using the sailing triangle, from point A to point B, we just need to connect it, and that line represents our true course and distance. But since we are particularly finding or solving for colatitude, we need to focus on the latitude. So, by the definition, it is the angular distance from our latitude or the given latitude to the pole. Since our latitude is both in north, we need to connect it in the north pole. Okay? So from point A to point B, we need to draw a line connecting it to the north pole. Actually, this line is the colat, and have you noticed? If you noticed, we have made a triangle. So actually, this is the introduction for the spherical triangle. So that sides from point A to the North Pole and point B to the North Pole is the colatitude. Okay, for the solution, since we are not passing the equator, we just simply use the formula of colatitude is equals to 90 degree minus the given latitude. For position A, the solution is 90 degree minus the 20 degree north. So the answer is 70 degree. Or the colatitude for position A is 70 degree. And for position B, um, colatitude is equals to 90 degree minus the latitude to 30 degree north. And the answer is 60 degree. So that is the colatitude. Okay? So very simple. And another things to remember, the final answer for colatitude should be in degrees only. We cannot convert it to distance or in nautical mile. Okay, for the second example for solving or finding the co-latitude, the given are in two position, position A and position B. For our position A or our initial position, the coordinate is at latitude 05 degree north, longitude 010 degree west. For position B or the final position, the coordinates is at latitude 20 degree south, longitude 015 degree east. In our mini-map or mini-earth, we plot position A in the fourth quadrant since the latitude is north and the longitude is west. For position B, we need to plot the position in the second quadrant since the latitude is south and the longitude is east. Again, using the concept of a sailing triangle, we need to connect the point A to point B. So, the line from position A to position B is represent the true course and distance of our vessel. And if you observe, we are passing equator. Okay? But the next question is where or which side of the pole we are going to connect in order to get the call latitude. So according to the rules, we need to connect which latitude has a great value. So in this case, the value of latitude 2 is bigger than the value of latitude 1, which is 05 degree north for latitude 1 and the latitude 2 is 20 degree south. So since our latitude 2 has name of south, uh, so we need to connect to the south pole. Okay, so from point A, we need to draw a line or we need to connect a line going to the south pole, and from point B, we need to draw a line going to the south pole. Okay, for the solution of latitude, again, that sides represent the co-latitude, and for the solution for position A, we need to use the formula co-latitude is equals to 90 degree plus the given latitude for position A. Okay, so why does it plus? Because we are passing equator. Okay, so 90 degree plus 05 degree. The answer is 95 degree, or the co-latitude for position A is 95 degree. For position B, we're using the formula co-latitude is equals to 90 degree minus the given latitude of the position B. So 90 degree minus 20 degree, the answer is 70 degree. Or the co-latitude for position B is 70 degree. Okay?